Back to school na! It's hard to plan for healthy and yummy baon for kids. That's why I always have Hansel sandwiches in my pantry. It's easy to grab and it's a sure hit sa mga kids. Perfect price sa mga kids when they did something good, study time snack, and for sharing with their classmates during their break. Mga cute hanchies pa which can be their inspiration in choosing to do good deeds while in school. These are the hanchies na sure nakakatuwa ng mga kids natin. Holdo, Audie, Nomi, Sniffy, and Aira. Our kids will imitate Nomi na maging patient in doing all their schoolworks. At si Audie naman para maging masunuring mga bata sa mga parents and teachers. Good news din na may bagong Hansel Milky Strawberry Sandwich flavor. Hansel isn't just delicious, ang bango-bango pa ng feeling ng lahat ng flavors. Amoy pa lang nakaka-entice na. The new Milky Strawberry variant is a sure hit to all our kids who love sweet snacks. But the other classic flavors like chocolate, mocha, and butter are also yummy too. Parati nilang dala-dala to kahit saan pa man sila magpunta. Kaya Hansel Scouts na sila. Try this now and be a Hansel Scout too.